Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about SQL aggregate functions and I'll make it very quick. So think about this as a table and this ID, name, salary as column and these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as rows. So there are many SQL aggregate functions and I'll show you what these exactly do. So what count do is count just counts the number of row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 rows, and if we use count function, it will show 5. And what is minimum? We use this in numerical terms. So in this condition, it's salary, which is a numerical or integer, and what we do is minimum salary, which equals 60,000, which is the lowest one, and maximum is 150,000, which is maximum salary. And we'll do sum. What sum do is sum basically sum all this values and give an answer, which is, I don't really know how to calculate. I know how to calculate, but this is too long, so I'll keep it short. You can use the calculator and do it yourself. And average means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add all these and divide by 5. Basically a mathematical average. And this is SQL aggregate function. I'll show you in SQL so you'll have better understanding of this concept and it will be more easier. Thank you. So let's get started from count. So what we can do is in this first count function, we just check this table. This table, which is data science schema and employee, and table is employees. What we will do is we'll test first. See, there are a lot of records. So we need to find out how many records are there. So we can basically do is count star from data science, and it will return how many records are in the table, which is 1046, or how many records are in the column. So basically in the table, every column has data and every row has data, and it will show up 1046 in this case. So it is basically the count, like let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like I showed you in the figure earlier. Now let's move on to another aggregate function, which is sum. First of all, let's do this. Select salary column from data science schema employees. We'll just check salary. Look, it will return all 1046 salaries from of all the employee. Now what we're gonna do is sum all the salary, and what it will return is this number, which is the total sum of this whole salary column. So and this is how we use sum aggregate function. Now let's move on to min. You can just replace this sum with min, and then look at this. This is the minimum salary. This guy earns the lowest among all its other employees or colleagues, counterparts. Now what we do is we can do max salary, and it will just return all this. And this is the maximum salary an employee earns in that company. Now that was max. This is very simple and straightforward process. I'm just giving you a basic idea because it's just a beginner tutorial. When we move on to intermediate, then I'll go on the depth of it, and it's gonna get a little bit tough and also harder, which I will help you to combat with, because that's what we do. Okay, now average. What average does is it will get the average of all the salary, which is 97433 0.54. This is very long. We can use round. Round means basically round off, and how many decimal places you want. If you want 1, then you can just do this. Yeah, if you want, but we want 2, so let's do this. So this is the average of salary. So these were some of the aggregate functions in SQL, and I hope you understand this. I hope you understood what I taught you right now, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. And please ask me any question, or if I have not covered anything regarding aggregate function, the basic things, I will try to answer the questions. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.